Alright, exploring the cell. Yo, I'm Dr. Flagella. Right now, I'm standing on the cell wall of a plant cell. Fun fact, while plant cells have a cell wall, animal cells don't. Also, a cell wall acts like extra protection for the cell within it. Whoa, oh my god, one layer down we hit the cell membrane, which is composed of lipids and allows specific things in and out of the cell. Fun fact, while not every cell has a cell wall, every cell has a cell membrane. Now we're in the cytoplasm, a jelly-like substance in which all organelles operate and exist. Oh, by the way, each and every cell has these little things called organelles, which help the cell do what it does. Wow, the mitochondria, or as you all know it, the powerhouse of the cell. This thing's awesome. It makes all the energy for the cell. Fun fact, the energy this mitochondria makes, and most cells run on, is called ATP. Or, I don't know how to pronounce that. Just kidding. Adenosine triphosphate. Dude! The cytoskeleton is responsible for maintaining the cell's shape and size. Fun fact, the cytoskeleton is actually just a long network of protein strands. Here we have the nucleus and the nucleolus. To differentiate them, I put labels on them. The nucleus is like the control center of the cell, and it stores genetic information. The nucleolus is responsible for making ribosomes. This is the Golgi apparatus. It makes proteins for export by the cell by adding carbohydrates and lipids. I don't know any more else about it. Don't worry about it. Here we have the rough endoplasmic reticulum, which makes and exports large amounts of proteins. This is the smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It helps in the creation of lipids, which it mostly supplies to the cell wall. The smooth ER, which is what we're calling it now, don't worry about it, also helps break down toxic substances. Look at it again, it's gorgeous. Ribosomes, like this one, don't worry about its appearance, help in protein synthesis. They're made of proteins and RNA. They're made in the nucleolus, which I'm pretty sure I told you about earlier. Some of these just float around, others are attached to the rough ER, which I just showed you. This is a lysosome. It's like the garbage can of the cell. It contains digestive enzymes. It basically takes care of anything the cell doesn't want. It's like a stomach. I know the speech bubbles out of words, but yes, it's the stomach of the cell. That's the central vacuole. Both plant and animal cells have vacuoles, but animal cells have lots of little ones. Plants usually have one big one. Anyway, the vacuole is the vacuole is a large sac filled with enzymes and metabolic wastes. It stores water, food molecules, plant pigment, and again, enzymes and metabolic waste. Look at it, that took me 5 seconds to draw. Whoops! The vacuole wasn't on my list. Here's what I was supposed to show you. Vesicles. There's a bunch of these guys in here. They're little bubbles that make stuff around, that move stuff around in the cytoplasm. They're made of a lipid bilayer that can come from the Golgi apparatus or an ER. It may have proteins inside. Look at them, they're gorgeous. Ta-da! The last thing on our tour, a chloroplast. These things help with photosynthesis, big time. They convert energy from sunlight into chemical energy that also kinda gives a plant... Oh, whoops. They also kinda give a plant its green coloring. Yes! Bye! I'm out of here. That's the end. You can stop watching now. I tried to make this as, stupid as possible, kinda, to be honest. Anyway, bye. Peace.